What's up everybody, Mike here and welcome to the video. We're out at the hangar today and the plan is to install a new replacement carpet kit from SCS Interiors. This should be a custom fit, made to order direct replacement kit for my 182 Skylane. It's a 1962 E model and the interior has been upgraded several years ago, probably about 10 years now. And as you'll see, the current carpet that's in there is in pretty rough shape, so it's definitely time for a little bit of an upgrade. Like I said, SCS Interiors, the replacement kit that we got is gorgeous. Just hoping everything fits. So without further ado, we'll get right into it. Alright guys, we've got the seats removed, the old carpet and insulating material pulled out of there. And now we're going to do a dry fit of the new stuff. Looks like it's going to be a little tight, may have to do some trimming. As you can see, here I've got the old stuff laid on top of the new stuff. Overall it looks pretty good, but there's definitely some wide spots right along the dorsal. So we'll see how it goes. Keep cracking away at it. Alright guys, day 2 of the carpet install. The plan today is to get the Insulite backing trimmed to fit, get the carpet trimmed and modified to fit as well, and then take the new carpet to an upholstery shop and get the binding redone on the areas that I trim off. Here's what we're working with again. There's the old, there's the new. The new is just slightly too wide up in the footwell area. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of modification, but it's gonna look nice in the end. So back to it. All right, that's going to wrap it up on the carpet install on this Cessna 182. If you've made it this far, I'd like to thank you for following along. Be sure to check back soon for more upcoming projects and adventures. Until then, take care and we'll see you next time.